Guys, welcome to Modern World, and if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. In this video I am going to explain you what is a VirtualBox and how to download and install it. So let's get into the video. Actually, a VirtualBox, it's a software which can be used to have or run multiple operating systems in your PC. For example, I'm using Windows 8.1, and if I want to check or have a trial of Windows 10, I can do it with the help of this VirtualBox or VMware. So it allows you to run both the operating systems in your system simultaneously. Just search for VirtualBox. VirtualBox is powered by Oracle, and the other software is VMware. Both are same, but whereas VirtualBox is an open source, but VMware is not like that. So both you can just download it from this downloads. I'll choose VirtualBox. Just click on the downloads, and now I'm using Windows, so my platform is Windows, so I'll download it from here. If you are using Linux, you should download it from here, and just click on Windows host. It will start download. I already downloaded it, so I'll just directly open it. So here is VirtualBox, so I'll just open it. Yes, just click on next, owning network interfaces. Proceed with installation now. Yes, install. Yes, it is general. It takes some time. Okay. Yes, install. Always trust software from yes, install. Okay. Meanwhile, you should download the Windows 10 or some Kali Linux or whatever other operating system that you want to run in the system simultaneously. Just click on finish. Yeah, it will be starting now. See here the VirtualBox VM. So just open it. Here already it's opened. See here, click on the new and just type the name, that is, for suppose if I want to use Windows 10, I'll Windows 10, Microsoft next, click on next, and here you need to allocate some memory. I think 1 GB is more than enough for the testing. Sorry, not 1 GB, okay, 2 GB. And click on next. Your hard disk will be create a virtual disk now. Just click on create. I don't have any ISO file right now. If you want to use some other operating system, you need to download that operating system's operating ISO file of that operating system, and then you just proceed with further. Just create a VirtualBox machine disk and just click on next. And the remaining is general. It will ask you how much RAM you want to allocate for the other operating system and how much memory you want to allocate, and that's for the video. If you like this video, just give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.